AI isn't just AI, so let's dive in. If it's just for some research, or just completing your last minute homework, but are there any other forms of AI that we already live with? To make it easier, I did break it down to certain levels of AI. Level 1, reactive machines. These AI systems are about as curious as your pet rock. Examples would be chess playing programs or beloved robot vacuum cleaners. And then there's automatic doors. Level 2, limited memory systems. These babies can remember a little bit more than a goldfish, and you could say they're already some steps ahead compared to reactive machines. Examples would be self-driving cars, and then there's personalized recommendations. Level 3, machine learning. Machine learning is like teaching Gordy to play the piano. You feed it a bunch of notes, hope it picks up a tune, and then marvel when it actually manages to play chopsticks with its fins most of the time. Level 4, generative AI. These are probably the most useful AI. For example, I just asked it for the average subscriber of the paint technician, and it threw these beauties at me. Astonishing, isn't it? Level 5, theory of mind. These AI systems can understand what's going on inside your head. Crazy, right? At the moment, we only have things that are fundamentally based on theory of mind. But here are some examples. Personal assistants or daily buddies. So you could say personal assistants are probably the only ones who know all of our secrets, but still can't make a decent cup of coffee. And then there are in rare cases NPCs, or just short, everyone around you. Level 6. Now we're talking about the big boys in the business. Let's start off with self-awareness. These systems aren't just thinking, they are studying the meaning of life and whether they prefer pancakes or waffles. At this high level of AI systems will possess consciousness and self-awareness, similar to humans. Level 7. Now fasten your seatbelts. Here comes the champion of AIs, the one and only super intelligent AI. Damn, I did imagine that a little more dramatic in my head, but fine. Imagine an AI that doesn't just understand human emotions, but can predict them better than your grandma predicts the weather. We're talking about a digital Einstein on steroids. For the full video, come to my channel, and don't forget, for more content, subscribe. So,